Hello, Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Mohit Hassan. So, guys, I will tell you some important facts of the coronavirus, its causes, effects, precaution measures that we should take from coronavirus, and the causes of the coronavirus on the global economy. So, let's begin.
I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up in shit, sipping fountain, credit cards and the scammers.
Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. In the last week of 2019, when the people were about to welcoming the new year, in Wuhan, China, there were unusual cases without clear cause. There were no vaccines and medicine on this virus, and this virus was linked with the seafood stall markets like fish, bats, snakes, etc. This virus was spreading fast day by day, and this virus was linked with the SARS epidemic, which involved 7,000 and killed 774 deaths. In Jan 2020, 59 new suspected cases was linked in Wuhan, China, and they were isolated in genetic hospital. लेकिन कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि ये जो वायरस था ये पूरे चाइना में फैल चुका था एंड थाउजेंड और टूरिस्ट वर बैक टू होम. लेकिन उस वक्त ये बहुत हैरानकुन बात थी कि ये वायरस हालत बद से बदतर होता जा रहा था जब ये दूसरे ममालिक में भी फैलना शुरू हो गया था. द first coronavirus reported in Vietnam, Germany, USA, etc. The WHO declared the COVID-19 as a global pandemic.
Please wait and stop. If you want to know more about the COVID-19, so link is in the description.
The first virus case was reported in 1960s from chicken. These viruses can be spread from animals to humans, but as I told you earlier, that the first coronavirus was detected in the 1960s. MERS coronavirus from camels and SARS coronavirus from cats. COVID-19 has not been discovered till yet. It has not been clear yet that how this virus spread from one human to another, but we know that the most common way is from droplet infection. It is when one person sneezes or releases the viral particles and it is picked by another person. And the most common way is through when we touch our keys, switches and doors. It's the highly risk. Now I will tell you some precaution measures that we should take from COVID-19. These are the tables that I want to show you.
Many people have lost their jobs or seen their incomes cut due to the coronavirus crisis. Unemployment rates have increased across major economies as a result. In the United States, the proportion of people out of work has hit 10.4% according to IMF, an end to a decade of expansion for one of the world's largest economies. Workers have also been put on government-supported job retention schemes as part of the economy, such as tourism or hospitality came to a standstill under lockdown. However, the data differs between countries. But the IMF says that the global economy will shrink by 3% this year. It described the decline as the worst since the greatest depression of the world 1930s. It does expect global growth to rise to 5.8% next year if the pandemic fades in the second half of 2020. Governments around the world have pledged billions of dollars for a COVID-19 vaccine and treatment options. A number of pharmaceutical firms are in a race to develop and test potential drugs that could help nations get back to normal.
एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, जलने वालों की तो रूह भी जलानी है. एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, इनकी भूख भी तो मैंने ही मिटा